Wagwan guys, in today's video I'm going to be speaking to YouTubers, content creators. Some people don't understand that as a YouTuber, using your YouTube as leverage, you can actually get some form of grant. Yes, there are organizations that do that. And I saw yesterday or thereabout of a YouTuber posting that AdSense is the only way you can get your money out of YouTube. There are other ways to get your money out of YouTube. For example, AdSense, it might actually limit you to getting your money out to your Nigerian bank account that gives you a rate that you don't even like. However, do you know that there are alternatives? I just withdrew about $200 recently. Unlike AdSense, for AdSense, you have to wait for how many days? Like you have to wait till on the 7th of the month before the money gets sent to AdSense from YouTube. And you have to wait until maybe like 21st to 26th of the month before you can get your cash. For what I'm going to discuss with you in this video, 1, you can get your money faster. 2, you don't even have to wait until the money accumulates to $100. Yes, you can withdraw $50. I have done it. I've tested it. Yeah, when I was researching multi-channel network, it used to be something that used to be very, very popular maybe some 11 years ago, 12 years ago, 13 years ago on YouTube. But most multi-channel networks are very, very terrible. But Sunday, why are you talking about it? Because there is a solution. Most multi-channel network, if you check the review online, when I wanted to use them, I checked the review online and almost every single review I found is extremely bad. But I was just fascinated by the idea that I begin to research deeper that, okay, just as people will say that Nigerian police are terrible, but there are good ones among them. So I was like, okay, could there be good multi-channel networks? So when I didn't see that, then I struck something that was actually important. So basically, there is this platform called Milx. I don't know if they even pronounce it like milk because they use a lot of cow in there. So it is not a multi-channel network according to them. It is just a platform that help you get your money out of YouTube. And for now that I've used them for one of my channels, they've not taken any cut. And one other thing they give you is like, they can give you your projected YouTube money in advance. For example, my tubular battery went bad and I wanted to change it immediately. And when I look at the pipeline of projects on Upwork, the closest won't actually meet up for changing it ASAP. So I needed the money ASAP. I looked at YouTube is still far. My Nigerian client that I was expecting to pay me is not paying me and I don't want to pressure him. I also expect some other money like that we're not coming in and I don't want to take loan from all these loan apps in Nigeria. So these Milx guys, I tried them out. So you have the option of applying for your YouTube earning up to maybe like if your YouTube channel used to make $200, $150, $200, $150, $200 every month. So you can take as much as 4 months in advance. Although, yes, it comes at a ridiculous interest rate. They charge 0.33% per day. That is approximately maybe like 9, I don't know if my mathematics is right, per day. And one thing they try to do to me, I was very skeptical about them because Milx is not a full multi-channel network. It is not a full multi-channel. You don't even enter a full multi-channel network contract with them. They are just a payment platform like they advertised. But I'm still going to tell you something about them because like this is not me promoting them or advertising them. Immediately I connected my channel, they gave me $25 bonus. And if you connect your channel to, they'll give you $25 bonus upfront, no question asked, no strings attached. But I was very skeptical, like, as in, why are you giving me $25? Then, like I said, I was curious. Like, I just wanted to know how it works. I don't even mind losing some money in the process, which is something I do a lot on this channel. So I was given $25. For connecting my channel to them. And then I was expecting my payment. I also applied for, I think, $150. Then they approved $100. And I was not pleased with that. I was like, oh. Why did they approve $100? Yeah, then I saw something when they approved the $100. The terms that they gave. One, they gave me almost a 20-month to repay it, that I should not repay it immediately. That I have 20, they gave me 20 months, that they would only be taking 5% from my YouTube earning every month. So I wanted to pay the money fast. So I screenshotted my communication with Milx and asked Brooke to please help me. like, okay, Grooks advised me like, oh, get out of that contract. It's an MCL and all of that. So I knew the Grooks was fueling my skepticism. I just wanted to learn about how this thing works. I have actually read about YouTube. The worst one, they can't take complete ownership of your channel. They can't claim your content. So you can remove it. The Milx specifically, you can remove their access to your channel at any time you feel inconvenient. Although they are, I hope I'll be able to like cover all that in this video. There are some other things we need to talk about. So when I applied and they gave me the one, they gave me the money. I actually went to their customer service and give them this. For Milx specifically, the customer service representative was pretty responsive. They respond very, very fast, and it actually feels like a human engagement. I told them they should please remove the $25. I don't want it. I was actually trying to get out of the Milx. Like, okay, I've not collected any money from you. I don't want your $25. I don't want your $100. And I was asked, why don't you want it? I requested. That was just me wanting to I just wanted to go. Then I realized that, okay, let me see if I can ask them that, okay, instead of you giving me $100, I want to pay it back as fast as I possibly can, comfortably, like from the YouTube earning. Give me a 4-month amortization. So that way, if I pay it in 4 months, my interest rate will not double. Like, it will just be maybe like, if you don't get dollars, you use it to pay maybe like a 120 or 118. It depends. I'm not doing the right calculations right now. Do you understand? Which, for me, remember, I'm experimenting. I requested an active fund of $200. Then my channel has actually earned some money also into Milx. Then the money I have earned before adding my channel to Milx will come to my AdSense. Sending out only the $25 was not possible. You can only send out a minimum of $50. So it's either you wait for your channel to accumulate up to $50, then you send it out to another $25, so you send out $50, or you get like active fund. So do you understand? Then there are 2 forms. You might say, okay, that's like a loan, not a grant. Sort of. I think it was advertised more like a grant, but it turned out to be like a loan. But I think it can be helpful in specific cases, not all cases. It should not be then you don't have to like use their loan. Note that it's not called loan. They call it active fund. They also have another type of fund, which is advanced fund. That means your YouTube money that is currently accumulating. You can get out as not even, you don't need it to be on, you can get out $50. So you can get out whatever amount. So that is charged at, I think, 4% or thereabout. So I tried out their crypto payout method, and for some reasons, when I sent it to my Winners account, the money didn't land in my, now hope you know that you can use your Winners to receive crypto. You can use your Winners to receive crypto. One thing is just that your Winners app is going to convert the crypto from USDT. You can send USDT or USDC, stable coins. So I sent crypto as USDT from Milx and then got it on Monday. That was yesterday. Yeah, I have screenshots of my conversations. I have, what's it called? I have a lot of B-rolls of all the transactions, but I doubt if I would have time to edit this week. So I might just put out this video as me talking to you like a paddy. Do you get? I hope this video is valuable. If you have any questions about Milx, you can ask in the comment section. And I think I'm not marketing them. I've tried to be as honest as possible, telling you the good, the bad, the ugly. Because like I can't come and tell you that tell you something that I won't be able to like. I'm being honest with you. So if you want to try it out or you want to join Milx, you can simply download the app. You can use my link below. Yeah, it's an affiliate link. And if you think you are not too good with managing money, maybe like things like advanced funds, I think it's not worth the headache. Don't use it. Just keep grinding on platforms like Upwork and maybe use your Upwork earning. So it's me experimenting, and I know this might actually come handy for many creators, especially maybe like you're a creator, you don't have microphone, you don't have a camera, you don't even need a camera rather to start. Maybe if you're already shooting with phone, but as a creator, something, for example, like when my solar was down, it slowed down my production because like I am busy. When I come into this place to record the video, if there's no lights, it just makes me not make content. Or if then most times I don't want to on generator. Generator makes noise. So the solar comes to the rescue. So if anything happens to my solar, I need it fixed as soon as possible. And like I explained, do you get what I'm saying? So you might actually need something. Maybe you want to start promoting your video. You want to pay for a partnership. You want to pay cinematographers. You want to pay editors. You just need something or to take your content from one level to another. You might want to get the money upfront from Milx, invest it in your channel. So for example, how I see it is this. Let's say you invest like a 2 million naira in your channel. Your channel is producing, let's say, $200 per month before. But because of the investment, now your channel is making, let's say, $300, $400 per month. Because it's something that happens. The more effort, the more input you put in your channel, the more your output grows. Somehow the channel just pays for itself. For example, like when I started this channel, like I told you guys, I spent in the region of 2 million naira for buying camera, tripod. The light this side, the tripod, light and everything is about 500,000. I spent a lot on the YouTube channel, but like over a period of time, it is paying it back. Do you understand? Okay, I'll see you guys in the next video. My daughter's cat. Bye-bye.